To add and activate morning music routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap compass like icon at the top right to see the list of the stock routine available. Tap adaptive routine and then select morning music. Tap open an app or do an app action. As the example, we will select open calendar. You can scroll down the screen or use the search to find it quickly. Tap down button and then tap save button to add the selected routine to your routine list. Go back to the routine screen to see that the selected routine has been added. From now, when it's time when you usually wake up, your phone will automatically play music from the Spotify app and open calendar app for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.